Hi guys, welcome to my channel Track with Josh. Today we are going to discuss about topic called ratio and proportions. Ratio and proportions are one of the most important topic for all competitive exams like SSC, CGL, CHSL, banks, CAT, RRB. For CAT, definitely one mark will be allocated from ratio and proportions. Beside marks, ratio and proportions are useful for concepts of time and distance, simple interest and compound interest, ages, profit and loss, etc. In this way, ratio and proportions are very useful for all topics. So let us know what are meant by ratio. Ratios are used to compare certain things like ages, weights, interest, mixtures, speeds, etc. in a simplified form. So ratios can be represented as A is to B or A by B. So let us know what is meant by simplified form. The given values can be represented in a simplified manner. So here 48 is to 36 can be represented as 16 is to 9, which can be further it can be represented by 4 table as 12 is to 9. So there are certain types of ratios. Let us know what are they. Duplicate ratio. The duplicate ratio of A is to B can be represented as A square is to B square. Example, the duplicate ratio of 2 is to 3 can be represented as 4 is to 9. The subduplicate ratio of A is to B can be represented as root A is to root B. Example, the example of subduplicate ratio is 9 is to 49 can be represented as root 9 is to root 49 equal to 3 is to 7. So let us go the topic triplicate ratio. The triplicate ratio of A is to B can be represented as A cube is to B cube. Example, the triplicate ratio of 2 is to 3 can be written as 8 is to 27. The subtriplicate ratio of A is to B can be written as cube root of A into cube root of B. Example for the subtriplicate ratio is 343 is to 64, which can be written as 7 is to 4. This is the subtriplicate ratio of A is to B. So, important topic in ratios is inverse ratio. The inverse ratio of A is to B can be written as B is to A. The inverse ratio of A is to B is to C can be written as C is to B is to A, which was completely wrong. So the inverse ratio of A is to B is to C can be written as BC is to AC is to AB. Example, 2 is to 3 is to 5 can be written as 3 into 5 is to 2 into 5 is to 2 into 3 equal to 15 is to 10 is to 6. This is what is meant by inverse ratio, which was one of the most important topic in ratio and proportions. So let us go. Another important topic in ratios is compounded ratio. The compound ratio can be represented as A is to B, B is to C, C is to D equal to 3 is to 5, 5 is to 7, 7 is to 9. So ratio of A is to B is to C is to D can be written as 3 is to 5 is to 7 is to 9. So if B and B, C and C are common, then the values will be A is to B is to C is to D, 3 is to 5 is to 7 is to 9. So what if ratios are not common? Let us see. If here B and here B are not common, then the ratios are calculated by top to bottom method. So ratio of A is to B is to C can be written as 3 into 6 is to 5 into 6 is to 5 into 4 equal to 18 is to 30 is to 20. Let us go more. If A is to B, B is to C, C is to D equal to 2 is to 3, 3 is to 4. Let us take it as 5. 1 is to 6. So here the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D can be written as 2 into 5 into 1 is to 3 into 5 into 1 is to 3 into 4 into 1 is to 3 into 4 into 6 means 10 is to 15 is to 12 is to 62. So if we go to and more, A is to B, B is to C, C is to D, D is to E. 1 is to 2, 3 is to 4, 2 is to 3, 1 is to 4. So A is the ratio of A, B, C, D is A, B, C, D, E. In this way, if the numbers and values are more, then we need to go from top to bottom. This is left and right. For A, we need to go all the numbers from left hand side, and for B, one right and remaining all left, and for C, two right and remaining all left, and for D, three right and remaining all left, and for E, all are right. In this way, we need to calculate for the different values in ratio and proportions. Let us go with few examples and questions which are come from previous exam questions. Here given A is to B equal to 7 is to 9, B is to C equal to 15 is to 7. So here the values are different. So A is to B is to C can be written as 7 into 15 is to 9 into 15 is to 9 into 7, which can be further cancelled as 3 5 is a 3 3 is a 3 3 is a 7 5 is a 35 is to 15 is to 21. But in question they ask about A is to C, means 35 is to 21, which can be further simplified as 5 is to 3. So option 1 is correct. In second question, A is to B equal to 7 is to 9, B is to C equal to 3 is to 5. So A is to B is to C equal to 7 3 is a 21 is to 3 9 is a 27 is to 9 5 is a 45, which can be further simplified as 7 is to 9 is to 15. Option 3 is correct answer. So guys, the questions I am explaining now are all previous year questions from SSC and another competitive exams. Here given W1 is to W2 equal to 2 is to 3. And again, we can clearly see that W3 is to W1 equal to 1 is to 2. So the ratio can be calculated as 2 into 1 is to 1 into 3 is to 3 into 2. So 2 is to 3 is to 6, which can be further simplified as 2 is to 3 is to 6. For W2 and W3, it can be written as 2 is to 3. Option 3 is correct answer. Given value of x equal to 3, y equal to 4. So we can write them as 5 3 is a 15 minus 8 by 21 plus 8 equal to 7 by 29. So option 3 is correct answer. Here given x is to y equal to 3 is to 1. So substitute the value of x and y in the above question. So 3 cube minus 1 cube by 3 cube plus 1 cube equal to 9 minus 1 by 9 plus 1, which can be simplified as 8 by 10. So it can be written as sorry. Here 3 cube minus 1 cube by 3 cube plus 1 cube, which can be written as 27 minus 1 by 27 plus 1. So 26 by 28 equal to 13 by 14. So option 1 is correct answer. Listen guys, this is easiest and another important question which is used to make us confused. So given here 2 power 1.5 by 2 power 0.5 equal to 2 power 1.5 minus 0.5 by 1. So 2 power 1 by 1 equal to 2 is to 1, because a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n by 1. So we can get this answer in this way. Remember, this question was asked in previous SSC CGL prelims exam. Here given m is to n equal to 3 is to 2. So substitute the value of m and n in the above question. 4 into 3 minus 5 into 2 equal to 12 plus 10 by 12 minus 10. 22 by 2 equal to 11 is to 1. So option 3 is correct answer. Guys, in exams, you don't need to calculate all the question. In the mind, you can calculate this kind of simple questions. And in the upcoming topics, we are going to from easy level to hard level. So given A equal to 5, B equal to 7, C equal to 2A, D equal to 3B. So AC is to BD can be written as 5 into 2A is to 7 into 3B. 10A is to 21B, which can be written as 10 into 5 is to 21 into 7. 50 is to 147. So option 2 is correct answer, because the value of A is 5, value of B is 7. Listen guys, these are another kind of questions which was asked in previous SSC multitasking non-technical exam. Here A by B equal to 3 by 4, sorry, 2 by 3, B by C equal to 4 by 5. So we know A is to B is to C can be calculated by 8 is to 4 3 is a 12 is to 3 5 is a 15. So A plus B, 8 plus 12 is to B plus C, 12 plus 15 can be written as 20 is to 27. So option 4 is the correct answer. Given x is equal to 2, y equal to 3. So substitute the values in the above question. 2 into 2 square plus 3 into, sorry, 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 2 square by 3 into 3 square minus 2 into 2 square, which can be written as 2 into 9 plus 3 into 4 by 3 into 9 minus 2 into 4. So 18 plus 12 by 18 minus 8 equal. Here given value of x equal to 3, y equal to 2. So it can be substitute the values of x and y in the above equation. 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 2 square by 3 into 3 square minus 2 into 2 square equal to 18 plus 12 by 27 minus 8 equal to 30 by 19. So the answer is option 3. Let us go to another question. Guys, listen carefully. Here, given A equal to 2, B equal to 3, C equal to 4. So A by B is to B by C is to C by A equal to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4 is to 4 by 2. So by taking LCM as 12, we can write it as 2 into 4 is to 3 into 3 is to 4 into 6. So 2 4 is 8 is to 9 is to 24. So the option 3 is correct answer. Here in LCM, we got 4 as in 3 table, we get 12 for 4 times. In 4 table, we get 12 as 3 times. In 6 table, we get 12 as 2 times. That's the reason we have calculated LCM and we got an answer. This is important question, guys. Just listen carefully. Given 2a equal to 3b equal to 4c. For this kind of questions, we just need to take value of 3 and 4. 3 into 4 for A and value of A and C for B. 2 into 4 and value of A and B for C. 2 into 3 equal to 12 is to 8 is to 6, which can be simplified as 6 is to 4 is to 3. Option 3 is correct answer.